Any way to get around? So, I mean, can you obviously you can't have all these carbon fiber parts uncoated because I'm sure they're just going
Right.
to erode and just suffer a lot of effects with just weather.
UV light. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but is there any what balance can you kind of find there?
In terms of the materials,
I mean, as far as like, can you leave them more unpainted? Is there some sort of alternative coating or like what?
yeah, there's a number of different things that we do that are standard. Probably the most common one is what we call expanded metal foils. So these are thin foils. They may be a couple thousandths of an inch thick, and they're perforated. And the reason we perforate them for a couple of different reasons, but it allows it to be able to glue it onto the airplane, and it allows it to be a little more flexible. That material actually is a derivative of things they use to make capacitors with. So if you look out on your power pole out in the street, you probably have a canister out there that's full of this expanded metal foil in a big coil to make a capacitor. That's what it's used for the most part. But they use it on airplanes too because it does put some conductivity back into the airplane. So expanded metal foil does a good job of helping to spread out the lightning energy and kind of keep it out of the carbon fiber a little bit. The other thing that it does is when lightning energy hits it, because it's so thin, it's only a couple thousandths thick, it tends to vaporize. And when it vaporizes, it actually explodes the paint off around it. And it gets about probably a 12-inch diameter area where the paint has been just exploded off. And the lightning energy just it reaches over that area, and you get less localized damage. It's going to spread over a large area. That's the most common one.